Jotich kachiel kod jopuonj mbalariany mar Technical University of Mombasa TUM kawuono jochako ayanga ng'anyo mare kaluwore gi deko mar osara kachiel kod omenda moko mabalang' ma gikoni pod gibando ten mbalarianyno. Tane kod Dr. Constantine Wasonga ma en jagoro maduong' e riwruok mar WASU. Jopuonj go koni nyocha eka ochul gi osara mar Desemba kendo nyaka sani pok giyudo osara mar Januar kachiel kod omenda mag wuoth mideno ni commuter allowance. Gikoni yo makende ma tieko midiechego mag osara magisebedo ka gikalo en mana piny owacho chako chenro mar chulo gi achiel kachiel kowuok e migawo mar omenda ma ok rito school fees ma jopuonjre chulo eka gin bende chulgi.
Tutatatua hii shida kwa hizi university by the government taking fully the payroll of university workers. We are only 30,000. The government can manage to pay university workers directly from the exchequer, so that the capitation they send to universities is only used for operation and maintenance. The same they do to teachers. The same they do to civil servants. Civil servants are paid directly by the government. Why are university workers being subjected to this embarrassment every month? Each and every month, we must come out to strike. Each and every month, we must come out to strike. Why can't the government take the payroll of public university workers? We are only 30,000. And that is our rallying call. We are not going to allow to be paid from fees paid by students. And by the way, the students are not paying fees because they came up with a new funding model that the court quashed. The DUC, it is the government that made the DUC fail. On paper, DUC was supposed to be funded at 80%, and the government was funding DUC at 46%. Where do they want the universities to get money from?